Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We have another update for Goldie Box Spring 2024, and this is going to be items 5 through 8 because we only have 12, video 2, and we're 2/3 of the way there. If you don't know what Goldie Box is, quick update, it's my subscription box, so I am biased. The products selected here are curated by yours truly. They have my stamp of approval. We're going to go through them one at a time. I already spoiled 4. I will link that somewhere on screen. I will link it somewhere below me. We have that spoiled somewhere else. First 4, and then we're on our second 4. There are only 12 now. We're gonna start with lip gloss. It's not the lip gloss I'm wearing right now, so I'm actually gonna wipe this off and put this on in one moment. But it is a lip gloss from the brand Laritzy Cosmetics. That's what that looks like. It's in the shade Nudes, which is like a brownish nude, but with pink undertone to it. It's really pretty. Wait till I have it on my lips. Give me one moment. All right, so I hope that's coming off on screen pretty well. I'll also show you on the back of my hand. So here's that shade. Here it is on skin. The feel is silky, not sticky. You know, kind of like a smooth, silky feel instead of like a regular lip gloss that's kind of sticky. This is the shade right there, and you can kind of see the shine on my hand pretty well. You can probably see it on my lips pretty well too. This is beeswax free. I did go on a little rant last month regarding an Ipsy box, maybe a FabFitFun box. You know, I don't even know which box I unboxed. That means I'm doing more than one unboxing on the channel, which I love. But I went on a mini rant about why I don't put beeswax on my lips anymore and how it can be really a bad cycle and drying and all of that. You guys loved that. I will do a video with recommendations for the lip oils and balms and all the healthy stuff I put on my lips now. But I have gone beeswax free for I think like 4 years now. I don't know. Probably around the same time I started this YouTube channel, I stopped using beeswax on my lips. Has made a significant difference for me in lip hydration and keeping them as hydrated as possible. This fits in that, so it is a vegan and cruelty-free. Of course it's cruelty-free because it's in the box. All the beauty products for Goldie Box are cruelty-free. Lip gloss, and it comes in... This shade is so gorgeous, and I feel like this would go with so many skin tones. So, like, it has a pink undertone, but I think even if you're really warm toned, because it has the brown in it as well, I don't know, let me know what you think. And if you have any interest in the shade like this, I think it's more like a dusty rose look. Next I have a home item. And these are made from Acacia. I don't know if that's how you say it, but that's how it looks like it said. Wood. And they are eco-friendly as well. Because it's made from natural wood, these are gonna all look a little bit different. So you might not get the same lines or whatever those lines are called. You might not get the same look, but they are really strong and durable. They're 10.25 in length and have a slight curve to them. Perfect for serving salads. Also, I've used this one mixing just like in a straight sauce pot, and it totally survived that. Has these little holes right here too, if you're the hang up your utensils type of person, or you're like kitchen. Are they still called utensils if they're not for your own eating? I don't know, but it has that. You can also tie them together with a string if that's what you would like to use that for. I just keep them stuck in my little container. It's 2.76 by 10.25, and you get both. And they are obviously partners. The brand does say comfortable grip. I don't know what's more comfortable about it. To be honest, it doesn't feel any more ergonomic than any other spatula or spoon that I've ever had. Also say it's safe and non-toxic. I have put these in my dishwasher. They did not give instructions on whether the dishwasher is safe or not, but they have gone in my dishwasher. This next one is a fun one because it's the family-friendly item, and it's from a small business, and it is a sun printing card kit. So, if you don't know how sun printing works, don't worry, because I barely knew how it worked until I got these. And to prove it, I made a lot of mistakes, but you can learn from my mistakes. So this comes with, I believe it's a set of 6 cards. Yeah, 6 cards and 6 envelopes. It comes in a little package like this that says, this is light sensitive. Do not open it until you are ready. So don't open it until you're ready. There are the full instructions back here, which I'm not going to go through every little bit of them, but I am going to kind of say some of the things I did wrong so that you don't have to do those same things wrong as well. I see the envelopes are in here. Now it comes with the cards. The cards are like this. This side is completely kind of a green color, not this blue color. Then you can put the stencils they give you. I believe these stencils are going to come. I don't know if it's going to be the same ones or different ones or what, but I believe you get some sort of stencils. And you place them wherever you want them, and then you put it in the sun. The sun is kind of burning that image into that other stuff, and it says you leave it on for 5 to 25 minutes. So my first mistake was I wanted to try all the different minute variations to see what would happen. Like, what if I forget about it? To be honest, I actually did forget about it, but I did check one at 5, one at 15, and then I forgot about it. So the rest of them are completely difficult to tell what I originally put on them. And I think that has to do with I left them in the sun too long. Like, the sun eventually went through the items I placed on them. So for this first one, I just placed some of these things that were sent to me, and it created these interesting shapes. For the second one, as you can see, and like, this one went 15 minutes, but I think these don't, because they had little bumps at the bottom, did not rest flat across. You can tell that a couple of them were flat across, and so you see those letters better, but I kind of threw them all on there, just a bunch of different letters. That was super fun. For the third one, this one's the one that I pulled in 5 minutes actually, and it had an actual plant on it. And you can kind of see some of its leaves, but I definitely pulled it too early, so it was kind of twisted like that. And you can kind of see that, but I think I pulled it too early, so it didn't do the full sun printing. Now, the rest of these. This one had rope on it. I left it way too long. You can kind of see a couple pieces of rope. This, I don't even know what it had on it, because I left it out there also too long, and, you know, can you tell? Can you see any sort of shape on there? So there were a couple failures that just turned all blue. This one, obviously you can kind of tell there's a little rope across, but these three you can actually see what they are. I would recommend, this is 5 minutes, it's 5 to 25. It actually tells you to wait until the paper turns a bluish brownish gray color. I did read that. For some reason, because it said 5 to 25 minutes, I paid more attention to the time thing than to the color thing. So, you know, it's kind of fun. It's only 5 to 25 minutes to watch it and see the sun changing it to this brownish gray color. Based on the sun intensity, that's the exposure you're gonna get, and then you're gonna wash it off. I'm gonna do this one because it's the most like obvious. You pull it back in, you wash off the greenish brown whatever color, and you get this really pretty blue color. I can't wait to get some more because I want to make some that look, you know, that cool and sat in the sun the right amount of time and flat. It says to put a piece of like a glass or a mirror or something on top, laying flat. I also didn't do that. I kind of just, I had a little piece of plastic that I just put over it, thinking that might be the same thing, but I think it being pressed down will also help. Anyway, learn from my mistakes, make some really cool cards, and 5 to 15 minutes you can make these thank you cards. You can obviously write all over the back. After you wash off the stuff, you just wait for them to dry, and then you got some cards. So that's gonna be a really fun activity, and your kid can use them, you can use them. Like, this is something that I am gonna do again and have a lot of fun doing. So it does not have to be for your family. Like I've always said, the family-friendly item can be used by you and I, and to be fair, there's a lot of us without kids that do use the family-friendly item, but it can also be used as part of a family activity, which is something that I really wanted in this box, so I'm happy that I get to provide that. And what a cool activity. The last item is a skincare item. I know a lot of you wait for the skincare items. This is probably one of the coolest skincare items I've had, because it is not one skincare item, it is a 15-minute spa in a bag, basically. So it is called their Pamper Me Kit. It's from the brand Naisture, which is natural and moisture. Interesting name, hard for me to say, not gonna lie there, but it comes with a hair mask, a face mask, actually 3 face masks, I believe. Yeah, 1 hair mask, 3 face masks, 1 eye mask, 1 hand mask, 1 foot mask. So you could literally, like, you could be like fully masked up, fully, spa day, all the parts of you, just like deep end, right? And just scare your kids and your like spouse or partner or whatever, you know, just like look like a weird spa monster if you want to. Or you could do them one at a time. Like today I feel like doing my hands, tomorrow I feel like doing my hair. Nothing says you have to do them all at once, obviously, but you're getting a variety pack of these masks, and they really, their moisture part of their name is very true. We're all coming out of winter, we all have some dry hair and body parts. So somebody actually had guessed. I said, what do you guys want to see? And someone said a hair mask. So I believe they said that, or some moisture for hair, something like that. Hair mask. Got you. I got you. I heard you. Your hair is dry. Mine is too. Yeah, we're coming out of all that dry, cold air, ready for spring, and we're gonna pamper ourselves with Pamper Kit. I'm so excited about this. Obviously, it is also cruelty free. This is K-Beauty as well. But the hair mask is for damage repair. The sheet masks are collagen sheet mask, and it is firming. Then there is another sheet mask, which is tea tree, and it's soothing. And then 1 more sheet mask with hyaluronic acid, and that is moisturizing. So you have 3 different sheet masks. Then a 15-minute eye mask, which is for firming as well. A hand mask and foot mask, both of those are moisturizing, based on the ingredients and all that. We have 4 more items. Our Pamper Kit, our sun printing kit. I noticed I put both the kits in this one. That's interesting. Our duo of serving spoons, or cooking utensils, we're gonna call them. And then this nude lip gloss, which I feel like I'm killing it right now. This looks so good. You may have seen this on my lips many times on Instagram if you follow me on my regular Instagram, which I might as well shout out right now, because why not? It's at EverythingProof on Instagram. I randomly use stuff in my stories. Sometimes I'm just wearing it, sometimes you'll see it like on a counter. I have some of you guys guessing sometimes. They'll see something and be like, oh my gosh, is that gonna be in Goldie Box? And usually you guys are right. I don't tell you if you're right, but happy guessing, happy searching. Let me know what you think of the second 4. We have 1 more video. It'll be closer to customization, which customization is the first day of spring, March 19th, 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can calculate the other times, but I will also be posting something on Instagram about that as well. And when you get the email about customization, it'll tell you all the different, like 2 p.m. for Pacific, 3 p.m. for whatever that is, Mountain? I don't know. I'm not 100% sure, but whatever it is, you will see the different PMs and which one belongs to you. Let me know what you think. Comments really help my channel out, so I appreciate all the comments. Please be kind. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!